welcome. I just wanted to show you how to use WP Rocket and show you the real example of how it works real time. So this is page speed insight. Mobile, your performance score is 35. You can see 3.9 seconds, speed index 10, 8, CLS is okay, blocking time, time to interactive, yada yada yada. We have all these issues going on. I'm not going to really go through explaining what everything is, but the score is bad. Pretty simple. The desktop is at 82, and all you have to do is just go to WP Rocket, download the plugin, go to add plugin, upload, install, and that's pretty much it. The other thing that I wanted to show you is the lighthouse performance. You could see 52 performance. So it's the same thing here, 3.7, 8.6. Kind of fluctuation. There's some fluctuation depending on the server. This is on incognito. So this is non-cache version versus this one is cache version. So when you do a test, I usually do incognito for page speed insight and lighthouse, just so that everything is non-cached, and and then the server response time, this and that. There's some variation, but not a lot. Sometimes if you're running AdSense or other ad program with a bunch of JavaScripts, sometimes those get delayed or those get in early, and then the blocking time does show up, and then you could see the total blocking time like crazy, like this one, because of some JavaScripts that's blocking it. You can see a bunch of stuff here, and then the images, etc., etc. But let's just go through it. I got WP Rocket. I could just go right here, go to settings. And compared to my previous video, which was older, a lot of things changed. So here you can see the license is unlimited. That everything, once you install, a lot of the stuff is automatic. But what you want to pretty much go into is go through this minify CSS. This one you don't have to click on it. You want to optimize CSS delivery, activate removed unused CSS, minify JavaScript, load deferred, delay JavaScript. If you have a lot of JavaScripts and if you see that there's a lot of issues on your site, then you want to scale back on these, or you want to click one at a time, and once you go through it, then you could see each of the sites and how it looks like and see if it's damaged or not. So I'm going to go to my site here. One thing that we do want to make sure is we want to wait for this one, but also where is it? Events rule. Nope. Enable caching for logged. No, never mind. So here you can see the site is not broken. Let me check incognito as well. Site's not broken. Let's see. Everything is working. Still processing, so I think it's taking a little bit longer. Nothing is damaged. Okay. All right, everything is done. Now let's go through our check. So previously it was 29, 35-ish, 75, 97. And that's it. That's what you have to do. Just click on File Optimization, minify CSS files, optimize CSS delivery, and it'll remove unused CSS, minify JavaScript, JavaScript deferred, delay JavaScript execution. If you do have Imagify, you can also do this, so you can optimize image delivery. Again, page speed insight just keeps on crashing. I think everyone's using it, so I don't know, maybe too many people are using it. Even delete cookie. Open new site, inspect Lighthouse, and generate. Again, 75, 3 instead of 6. Here, image, remove unused CSS is at 0.45 compared to, okay, so there's not a lot of new CSS. Properly sized images, these have to be done through Imagify, converting the images to WP. Most likely, let's look at the settings here on image. Nope, media, enable for image, enable for iframe, and missing dimension. Okay. $69, let's do it again. Generate report. $79, 75. Okay, so everything is almost gone except for just this one. So here, media, enable images, lazy loading for videos and images, and add missing image dimension. That's pretty much it. And automatically I get 75 for mobile, 96 for desktop, 79 for Lighthouse, which is similar. I mean, page speed insight just keeps on crashing. We'll do another test just to end the video with the good news of how WP Rocket's so simple. Anyone could use it. It's everything is done in the back end. Unlike auto optimize or asset cleanup or any other plugins where you have to enable this, you have to disable that, blah blah, yada yada yada. Their tool is really simple. Anyone could just install, and that's it. There's nothing else to do. Again, here, serve image in the next gen format. This is done through I believe Imagify. So if you could use Imagify, the free one, and you could convert a certain amount of images per month, or you could go subscribe to their plugin, and you could optimize all of your images. So you could do that. Yeah, you got to sign up and everything like that. So let's see if I don't have to. No, yeah, you got to get a free API and things like that, and then you could get this resolved, and pretty much it. That's from 29:30 to 75 within just 1 minute of your time. Obviously, everyone else has each of your sites are different, but again, huge amount of improvement. There's nothing really you need to do. WP Rocket, the cost of WP Rocket for one person is 49. One site is 49 a year. I mean, if you consider that compared to paying someone to optimize your site, I think that's well worth it. Obviously, they always constantly update to make their plugin more effective or more efficient, less bloat and things like that. So you're paying them to develop better product. But I mean, you saw the score, very simple, very easy, and very quick. The performance is there; it's proven. Nothing. You could just go to your sites and you'll see a noticeable effect on how your page loads and how everything, the images just right there, everything is good, quick, fast, and easy. Yeah, that's a simple tutorial. Nothing else to talk about except for a really good tool. Everyone should use it if you do have a website, whether you're a startup or affiliate website, whatever it is. If you're not at 70 or 80 or 100, you need to use some sort of tool to see if it makes sense. If you have score of 80 or 70 right now, maybe WP Rocket could get you to 100. Just like my whatchamacallit, my case study site. Obviously, this site has a lot more design and images right off the bat. Like this one, a lot more images compared to my case study. My case study is very simple, more info content site, where this is more kind of looks like an agency type website with a lot of images and text and things like that. So yeah, this one will take more time to maybe I need to optimize my images, so then I'll get up to 99 in comparison to just installing and get the desktop. Like even with the desktop it's 97. Maybe just adding Imagify and optimizing my image, I could get up to 99 as well. But hope you enjoyed this video, and good luck. I'll provide my affiliate link to WP Rocket for you to purchase if you do purchase. And I hope you purchase through my link. I get a small commission that will help me continue to create more benefit. More videos like this and more videos about different products that I use and that I love, and I hope everyone else also uses it. I'm not recommending any product that I'm just getting a commission or they're asking me to promote it or whatever. I use all of the products that I'm going to promote. If I don't see any benefit to it, then there's nothing really there for me to talk about. WP Rocket is something that I've used for my agency, for all of my affiliate sites. Even Linkilo that I have. Let me show you my performance on my product site. I'm using WP Rocket as well. '83. desktop 97, just with WP Rocket. And this one I'm using Imagify, so I don't have any issues with the next gen image formats. So that's and I have obviously a few JavaScript, but that's being delayed so that it doesn't have the blocking time. Large content, obviously, this is a huge content. Where is it? This is a big one, so I can't really reduce the big content because I want this to stand out. First paint as well. I don't know why. Let me just do another one. Maybe I get a 90 score or 87 maybe. But again, I'm using WP Rocket for all of my sites. 81. Okay. But still good compared to not using WP Rocket. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, have a nice day.